First bite. My God. Oh my God. Best cookie ever. Go make them. Happy Wednesday. Hey, let's make some vanilla pudding chocolate chip cookies. To a mixing bowl with a sifter, we're going to start with 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to sift that together in the bowl. Just keep doing that. Once you have it sifted together, put this to the side. 1½ sticks of butter, melted. Put your melted butter in a large mixing bowl and add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1 3.4-ounce packet of instant vanilla pudding. Whisk that together. Just like that. Now you're going to add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste. Whisk that together. Add your flour, and you're going to stir until it's just combined. Just like that. 2 cups of chocolate chips. Fold them in. Just like that. Now pop this in the fridge for 30 minutes. It is not crucial to the recipe, but it does yield a better flavor. Put it in the fridge, meet me back here in 30 minutes. With an ice cream scooper, scoop your dough, plop it, ball it, drop it. 2 inches apart. Keep doing it. Into the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Vanilla pudding chocolate chip cookies. Let's try them. Best cookie. Well, one of the best cookies. Better go make it. This is so good.